Let's use unit conversions to convert the height of a mountain in feet to meters. Hi, if you are new to this channel, I am the SAT Math Guru. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you turn on your notifications so that you can get more videos on SAT Math walkthrough. This is part 7 of our walkthrough, and in today's question, the question says that the table gives the height in feet of 5 peaks in the Rocky Mountains and 5 peaks in the Appalachian Mountains. So the question 7 says, what is the height in meters of Blanca Peak? Blanca Peak is here, it's 14,350 feet. So we are supposed to convert it 2 meters. And we're told that 1 meter equals to 3.28 feet. So that's the unit conversion. So 1 meter equals to 3.28 feet. I could rewrite, then we have 14,350 feet is how many meters? That's the question. So I could rewrite this as 1 over 3.28. So this is meter over feet. So 1 over 3.28 equals to how many meters? Let's call this x. X divided by 14,350. So this is the unit conversion here. So from here, we can find what x is. So if we do a cross multiplication, we have 3.28x equals to 14,350. Then x equals to 14,350 divided by 3.28. Now using our calculator, so 14,350 divided by 3.28 gives us 4,375 meters, which is option B. All right. So if you found value from this video, please don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in part 8.